Greetings everyone and welcome back to our channel, Eskimos. Today we're diving into fascinating mysteries and answering some of our most curious questions. Ever noticed your soda bottle is never filled to the brim? There's a good reason for that. It's all about the balance of gas and liquid. Carbonated drinks are infused with carbon dioxide, creating delightful bubbles. This gas expands with temperature changes. If the bottle were full, the pressure could cause it to deform or explode. Manufacturers leave headspace to allow gas expansion without eruptions. This headspace also preserves the flavor and fizz by preventing the liquid from contacting the cap. Next time you pick up a soda, appreciate the science ensuring its quality and your safety. From nails on a chalkboard to a fork scraping a plate, certain sounds send shivers down our spines. These sounds are universally recognized as unpleasant, often causing an immediate physical reaction. Our auditory systems are sensitive, picking up a wide range of frequencies. This sensitivity allows us to detect subtle changes in our environment, which is crucial for communication and survival. High-pitched screeches fall within a range our ears are particularly sensitive to. These frequencies can be jarring and uncomfortable, making them hard to ignore. This sensitivity, combined with our ear canal shape, amplifies these frequencies. The unique structure of our ear canal can make certain sounds seem louder and more piercing. Our brains also play a role. Unpleasant sounds light up the amygdala, associated with fear. The amygdala is a part of the brain that processes emotions, especially those related to survival. This reaction is rooted in our evolutionary past. Our ancestors needed to be alert to high-pitched sounds, which often indicated danger or a threat in their environment. Early ancestors relied on senses to survive. High-pitched sounds signaled danger. For example, the screech of a predator or the cry of a fellow human in distress would have been critical to notice. Our brains learned to associate these sounds with threats, triggering a fear response. This association helped our ancestors react quickly to potential dangers, increasing their chances of survival. Even today, our brains react as if we're facing danger, shaping our perceptions and reactions. This is why we still cringe at these sounds, as our brains are hardwired to respond with a sense of urgency and discomfort. In modern times, we encounter these sounds in different contexts, but the reaction remains the same. Whether it's the screech of brakes or the wail of a siren, our bodies respond instinctively. Understanding this response can help us manage our reactions better. By recognizing that our discomfort is a natural evolutionary response, we can find ways to cope with these sounds more effectively. Techniques such as deep breathing, mindfulness, and even noise-canceling headphones can help mitigate the impact of these sounds. By taking proactive steps, we can reduce the stress and discomfort they cause. On the flip side, our auditory system also allows us to enjoy pleasant sounds like music and laughter, which can have a calming and uplifting effect. This balance is essential for our overall well-being. So the next time you cringe at a high-pitched sound, remember, it's just your brain's way of keeping you safe. Embrace the complexity of your auditory system and appreciate the role it plays in your daily life. Swiss cheese, with its distinctive holes, often graces our sandwiches and cheese boards. The secret lies in bacteria and fermentation. Special bacteria cultures introduced to the milk release carbon dioxide as they feast on lactose. These bubbles form within the cheese curd, creating those signature cavities. The size of the holes varies depending on the type of Swiss cheese and aging length. It's all about controlling the environment and bacteria activity. Next time you enjoy Swiss cheese, appreciate the microorganisms and cheese-making artistry. Those holes are a testament to the remarkable power of microorganisms. From pushing glasses off tables to random assaults on dangling objects, cats have a peculiar habit of knocking things over. This seemingly chaotic behavior is actually deeply rooted in their instincts. It's part of their innate feline instincts, honed over millennia of hunting and play. In the wild, cats would use their paws to test and explore their surroundings, ensuring their safety and finding food. This behavior stems from their predatory nature. Even domesticated cats retain these instincts, which manifest in their playful yet sometimes destructive actions. A swift swat of the paw can startle and flush out hidden creatures. This is a survival tactic that has been passed down through generations. Cats are incredibly tactile, relying on touch to navigate their world. Their paws are highly sensitive, equipped with numerous nerve endings that help them gather information about their environment. Their paws gather information about objects around them. This sensory input is crucial for their understanding of the world, helping them to identify potential threats or opportunities. A playful bat of a vase might be their way of testing its texture, weight, and movement. This curiosity is a fundamental aspect of their nature, driving them to explore and interact with their surroundings. Changes in their environment can be unsettling. Knocking over objects might be their way of marking territory. By doing so, they leave their scent and establish a sense of ownership and familiarity. Cats are also playful, and sometimes our prized possessions become their toys. Their playful antics are a way for them to exercise and entertain themselves, keeping their minds and bodies active. A dangling earring or swinging phone charger can prove irresistible. These objects mimic the movements of prey, triggering their hunting instincts and providing a source of amusement. Despite the chaos, we love them for their playful and curious nature. Their unpredictable behavior adds a sense of excitement and joy to our lives, reminding us of the wild and untamed spirit that resides within them. Their affectionate moments, like purring and cuddling, make up for the occasional mess they create. These tender interactions strengthen the bond between cats and their owners, making the chaos worthwhile. In the end, it's their unique blend of independence and affection that endears them to us. Cats bring a special kind of companionship that is both comforting and exhilarating. So the next time your cat knocks something over, remember that it's just their way of exploring and interacting with the world. Embrace the chaos and cherish the moments of joy they bring into your life. After all, it's these very quirks that make cats such beloved and fascinating companions. Their unpredictable nature keeps us on our toes and fills our homes with laughter and love. And at the end of the day, when they curl up next to us, purring contentedly, we can't help but feel grateful for the chaos they bring into our lives. The art of pizza making is a mesmerizing dance of flour, water, and yeast. Each ingredient plays a crucial role in creating the perfect dough. Flour provides the structure, water activates the gluten, and yeast ferments the dough, giving it that unique flavor and texture. The spinning of the dough transforms a ball into a perfectly round pizza base. This process requires skill and precision, as the pizzaiolo must ensure the dough is evenly stretched without tearing. Centrifugal force pulls the dough outward, creating a thin crust. This thin crust is essential for achieving the perfect balance between a crispy exterior and a soft, chewy interior. The spinning also develops the gluten structure, giving dough elasticity and chewiness. This elasticity is what allows the dough to stretch without breaking, creating a perfect canvas for toppings. Air incorporated during spinning creates tiny air pockets, resulting in a lighter crust. These air pockets are crucial for the dough's texture, making it airy and light. These air pockets expand in the oven, giving the pizza its characteristic rise. As the dough bakes, the heat causes the air pockets to expand, creating a fluffy and tender crust. The spinning motion showcases the skill and artistry of the pizzaiolo. It's a testament to their years of practice and dedication to their craft. It's a performance that heightens anticipation and enjoyment of the pizza experience. Watching a skilled pizzaiolo at work is like watching a dancer perform, each movement precise and purposeful. Next time you enjoy pizza, appreciate the science and artistry behind it. From the careful selection of ingredients to the skillful spinning of the dough, every step is a testament to the pizzaiolo's dedication to their craft. So, savor each bite, knowing the journey it took to get to your plate. Nature is full of breathtaking beauty and awe-inspiring phenomena. Sometimes nature presents us with bizarre events like raining frogs and zigzag lightning. Raining animals like frogs and fish is a rare but documented meteorological event. Strong updrafts lift water and small creatures, carrying them into the atmosphere. As winds weaken, these airborne travelers come crashing back down. Zigzag lightning dances across the sky in sharp, angular turns. One theory suggests it's due to the electrical breakdown of air along a path of least resistance. These phenomena remind us that our understanding of the natural world is constantly evolving. There's always more to learn and discover. Tickling elicits laughter and squirming, but you can't tickle yourself. Our brains differentiate between self-touch and touch from others. To avoid sensory overload, our brains filter out unimportant signals. When we move, our brains anticipate the sensory feedback, canceling out self-touch. This mechanism prevents us from tickling ourselves. Tickling is a social behavior, a way of bonding and playing with others. Brain regions associated with pleasure are more active when tickled by someone else. The social element of tickling plays a crucial role in our experience. Everyday objects, from coins to street signs, are more than just functional items. They are products of design, with hidden meanings and fascinating stories. Many coins feature profiles facing left, a tradition rooted in history. In ancient Rome, left-facing portraits asserted authority and legitimacy. This practice became a symbol of power, adopted by rulers throughout history. The word ambulance, written in reverse on emergency vehicles, serves a practical purpose. Drivers can read it correctly in their rearview mirrors, ensuring they react accordingly. Design choices shape our world, enhancing functionality and meaning. Next time you interact with an object, appreciate the thought and creativity behind its design. Thank you for watching, and remember, there's always more than what meets the eye. Keep exploring, keep questioning, and never stop being curious. Until next time, keep those minds open and those questions coming.